Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make my own version of a steak sandwich, and this is not really like a thing for us in Nigeria, but it's absolutely lovely and I enjoy it. First, I'm going to be using sourdough bread, and this is my locally bred steak. First thing I'm going to do in my process is to make my caramelized onions. I love caramelized onions in my steak sandwiches, and I'm going to show you like a shortcut method on how to do that. So with some oil in a pan, saute a lot of onions, and while that is getting really soft and gummy, add some brown sugar and then stir that together, and this is ready in like less than 10 to 15 minutes. Very good shortcut recipe. Next thing we're going to do is take our steak. We're going to pat out any liquid off the body of the steak, and then we're going to salt it generously. After salting it generously, we're going to add some black pepper, and while this is going on, make sure that your pan is ready on the fire and it's hot. You can see that it's really hot. And then we're going to add some oil, and then we're going to proceed to cook our steak. For my steak, I like to medium rare, but I was serving this to my sister, so I kind of went down the medium well route. I added some garlic and some fresh thyme and butter, and I basted that. So in total it took me about 6 minutes to cook this piece of steak. Look at that beautiful color. While my steak is resting, you should let your steak rest for at least 10 minutes. I am going to be toasting my sourdough bread in the same pan I cooked my steak with, so that all that juices and all that nice brown bits can, toast my bread and get it to the crunchy texture that I like. Now we're gonna make our sauce for the sandwich. I'm gonna use some mayo, some lemon juice, some garlic, some black pepper, some salt, some olive oil, and some sriracha. If you want it to be extra spicy, I recommend that you add something like Cameroon pepper or some dried pepper, so that it's really spicy, more for like our Nigerian taste. But I transferred this into a bigger jar because my immersion blender couldn't get into that small jar, but I blended it out, and this sauce is perfect for your sandwiches, and I think I'll like it on a salad as well. Anyways, this is me cutting my steak after it has rested. Even after like 10-15 minutes, you can see that the steak is still juicy, it's still nice. So to properly cook a steak is a skill everybody who is a chef or a home cook should at least know how to do. 15 minutes, you can still see that the steak is juicy and it's medium well and it's perfection. Next thing, we're gonna layer our sandwich by just adding some sauce on top of that well toasted bread. I like to use some rocket. You can use some lettuce, but put your choice of salad greens. I'm going to layer my slices of cooked steak and then add some cheese. I'm quickly gonna put this under the broiler for like a minute or so that the cheese can get all melty, but not too melty because I don't want my greens to get too soggy. And I'm gonna add my caramelized onions. It gives my sandwich that sweet taste which pairs well with a spicy sauce, and then my steak sandwich is ready to eat. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comments below if you have any questions, and thank you for watching this video. I love you guys.